Hey everyone! With winter just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about protecting your outdoor faucets and sprinkler systems from freezing temperatures. Winterizing these systems can save you from costly repairs and ensure they're ready to go when spring arrives. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about outdoor faucets. If you live in a colder region, like the Midwest or Northeast, you'll need to take extra precautions. Start by disconnecting any hoses and draining them completely. Leaving hoses connected can cause water to back up and freeze, potentially cracking your pipes. Next, install a faucet cover. These are inexpensive and can be found at any hardware store. Just slip it over the faucet and secure it. Added layer of insulation will help keep the cold out. For those in milder climates like the South or West Coast, you might not need to go to such lengths. However, it's still a good idea to disconnect hoses and store them away. You never know when a surprise cold snap might hit. Now let's move on to sprinkler systems. No matter where you live, it's crucial to winterize your sprinklers to prevent damage. Start by turning off the water supply to the sprinkler system. This is usually done at the main shutoff valve. Once the water is off, it's time to drain the system. There are a few ways to do this depending on your setup. One common method is using the manual drain valve. Open the valve and let the water drain out completely. If you have a blowout system, you can use an air compressor to blow the remaining water out of the pipes. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for this to avoid any damage. In regions with harsher winters like the Rocky Mountains or New England, it's a good idea to add insulation to your backflow preventer and any above-ground piping. Use foam pipe insulation and secure it with electrical tape. This will help keep the pipes from freezing and bursting. And there you have it. By taking these simple steps, you can protect your outdoor faucets and sprinkler systems from winter damage, saving you time and money in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Stay warm and see you next time.